I know that's what you would like to happen, but that's not what's going to happen.
Absolutely.
So, you're
Illegal.
being trespassed. If you don't start packing up and leaving now, I'll
Right,
put you in
you have
handcuffs.
no business being in my
I
room.
will put you in handcuffs and I will take you to the county jail
You have no business being in my
for
room.
trespass
for the next
after
30
warning.
minutes.
Do you understand?
Get the f out of my room.
All right, buckle up. Hotel staff says Jessica has been on a chaotic 24-hour run, heavy drinking, repeated returns after being told to leave, a sudden $30,000 theft claim, barefoot in the breakfast area, and now she's mashing the emergency button. Officers are walking into a situation that can flip from annoying guest to full arrest in seconds. Watch how fast this spirals.
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
Welcome back. All right, so we have Miss Jessica, who's been with us since yesterday. She's just had a lot of erratic behavior. Yesterday she was drinking at the rooftop, getting really intoxicated. We asked her to leave. She kept coming back 3 times. Then she claimed that the guy that she's with stole $30,000 from her, wanted immediate attention for that. This morning was walking barefoot, grabbing pastries off the Continental thing. So long story short, we're going to kick her out. This morning she was clicking the emergency button. So I was answering it, trying to figure out what happened, what the emergency is. She wouldn't answer me, which is why I called you guys. So we're going to go see what the emergency is, and then we're going to ask her to leave.
Do we want her out just...
In general, I just want her out.
Okay, so we're not doing a trespass.
No, let's do a trespass.
Okay.
Let's do a trespass.
Okay,
That'd be
perfect.
safe. Yeah. Thank you. I'm going to just speak first, just let her know what's happening. Hotel management.
Hello?
Hi, you pressed the emergency button, so I wanted to come and see if you were okay.
Oh, yeah, we're great, thanks.
Do you mind opening the door for me?
I didn't know I pressed emergency.
You're okay, but anytime somebody presses that, I have to enter the
What
room.
button were we pressing?
The emergency button on the phone.
So I had 2 people up here trying to help me figure out the phone's broken.
Okay, I have to enter though to make sure the room is okay and that you're okay if the emergency button is
Can I
pressed.
put some clothes?
Please do. Thank you.
Do we know if she has a car here, or Ubered, or...
I don't know.
142
So what button is that?
So you press the emergency, there's a button that says emergency on the phone. This is your partner. Good morning. How you doing?
Even better. I'm trying to get in touch with... I called emergency on my mother in Orlando.
Oh, okay. So you actually dialed emergency from here?
Yeah, but they connected me to Orlando. My
Oh.
grandmother's in trouble.
Oh no, okay. From our side, just looking around a little bit, it looks like you're smoking on the terrace,
Yeah.
which we don't allow smoking in our property, so we're going to have to ask you to leave today. We're not going to charge you for tonight or anything like that, but we're not going to be able to keep you for another night, so we're going to have to ask you to leave. Are we able to pack everything up within the next like 15, 20 minutes?
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm serious.
We paid for 2 nights. Can we just pay for the smoking fee?
No, unfortunately it doesn't work that way. So I'll step out and I'll give you guys a chance to kind of get things going. I'll get a bell card up so we can take everything downstairs. Do you have a car with us?
Wonderful. What?
Do you have a vehicle with us?
We have a card and a motorcycle outside.
Okay, we'll get those ready on the ramp for you then. Do you need help
Great.
packing up?
No.
Okay, alright. Thank you. I'll
Thanks
just be
for
right
all your
outside.
help.
You're welcome.
I brought an emergency card.
Yeah.
Yeah, she...
You can leave now. You're not going to watch me dressed and all that. You
Okay,
can go outside.
yeah, we'll step outside and you can put something on,
Yeah.
but then we're going to come and make sure that everything gets packed up.
You can go while we pack. We paid for our room tonight.
Right. So
Go outside.
you're going to pack because we're
Right,
going to
but
leave.
you're going to step outside. You're not going to be here while
Right. Well,
you're
we'll
dressed
leave.
and all that.
She'll get here, so
Get outside.
she can watch
No.
you put a shirt on. Listen, ma'am. Let me
You're
explain
not
something.
going to watch any of this.
Let me explain something, okay? You're being removed. You're going to be trespassed.
I understand.
You're
you
going
can
to be.
wait outside while
you're
that
going to-
happens. We have 30 minutes. All we did was smoke outside. Give me a
Going
break.
to be trespassed from the property.
If we don't get out in 30 minutes, get the outside.
First of all,
You don't have any right to tell me what to do in my room that I paid for.
right.
trespass.
Here's the key pivot. The hotel isn't asking nicely anymore. They're exercising property rights. In most places, management can remove a guest for policy violations, especially after repeated issues. Notice how staff frames it. We're not charging you for tonight, and gives a tight pack-up window. That's them trying to keep it civil before it becomes a law enforcement problem. And when the emergency button gets involved, they also have a safety duty. If someone triggers emergency and won't clearly explain, staff and officers treat it like a potential welfare check. Now ask yourself, if you're the guest, do you cooperate and fight the refund later? Or do you dig in and risk turning a hotel rule violation into criminal trespass?
You're being trespassed. We are going to make sure that you gather all your belongings.
Wait outside while I do it.
No. If you want to go into the bathroom with a shirt and put a shirt on,
No.
that's fine.
No.
But we're not leaving you in here
You can
by
act like an
yourselves.
adult and wait the outside.
We're not doing
I'm gonna
that.
wait over here. So, excuse me.
Why don't we start your stuff up, okay?
Excuse me, don't touch me.
You have no business
Okay.
being involved in our property
You're probably my
right now.
server, so you guys are getting kicked out. So you guys get all your stuff.
Yeah, we can do that, but you wait outside while we do that.
No.
Not gonna happen.
We're not doing that.
This is my room. I paid for it.
Being a big
Are you gonna give me my money back?
She already said that they're not going to charge you for the night.
Are you gonna charge me for the day that you're?
Sir, do you have an ID or anything with you?
No.
You're being
Sure,
charged for
I'm
last
sure
night,
anything like
but
that?
not anything
No.
for today.
Okay.
Why? Because we smoked on the patio. We have to deal with all this.
Yes.
I called the
Let's start
police on my
packing up.
grandmother who was being abused by my mother in Orlando.
Jessica,
in a
let's
completely
start
different
packing
city.
up, okay?
Acting up.
Packing
Packing
up.
up.
Let's start packing up.
Wait the outside
We're
while
not
I
waiting
pack up.
outside,
No.
okay?
You have no business being in here.
Just put a shirt on and let's keep moving, okay?
You have no business. I
We're
would
not
like you to
moving.
step
We're not
outside.
leaving. I know that's what you would like to happen, but that's not what's going to happen.
Absolutely.
So, you're
Illegal.
being trespassed. If you don't start packing up and leaving now, I'll
Right,
put you in
you have no
handcuffs.
business being in
I will
my
put you
room.
in handcuffs and I will take you to the county jail
You have no business being in my
for
room
trespass
for the next
after
30
warning.
minutes.
Do you understand?
Get the out of my room.
Do you want to go to jail?
Get out of my room.
Last chance.
Is this your stuff too?
You have no business being.
Start packing your belongings.
I
Or you're
paid
going
for
to
this
jail.
room.
Start packing your
For
stuff
2
and you're
nights.
going
Are
to
you
jail.
refusing to pack your belongings?
No,
and leave?
I asked you to wait outside
And
while
I
I
explained
pack
that
my
that's not happening. Are you refusing to pack your thing?
kidding me. You guys are the biggest I've ever met in my goddamn life. Like, we don't have enough problems in this
I'm
goddamn
gonna see if she has the 14 on.
So you might close your eyes so the AC doesn't all go out.
Yeah, we actually like it open. We paid for it to be. You're not paid to be here.
I am.
We are paid to be here, actually. That's our job.
Want to be
You're
here?
not even allowed to be here right now.
Okay.
This is highly illegal.
What's your first name, sir?
Ryan.
Ryan? What's your last name, Ryan?
Ryan, come here.
Can you spell
Ryan.
that?
Can you
Yeah.
address?
Hold on, hold on.
Ryan,
How do you spell?
do you not? You don't have
You
to do
stop.
anything in this room. Come here, right now.
Go put your shirt on.
Come here,
Ryan.
Ryan,
Ryan.
can you
right
please listen to us?
now.
She's gonna get
In here,
trouble.
you do not do anything that goddamn say.
How much longer are we gonna do with it?
Let's.
Can we put her in handcuffs?
I'm ready to be ready.
I'm ready. Can we at least hope she puts
Well, that's what I was hoping
now,
was
but
going to
she took it
happen.
off.
Well, she took that off to put something else on.
At least they have their Narcan ready.
Oh, Jesus.
I can hear you whispering.
1 call 5, 1 call 4.
And we can hear us. Oh!
Go for it.
And I know my rights. And I'm explaining them to my friend. Do not answer one goddamn word they ask me.
Okay.
Actively doing this and that kind of stuff.
She's packing.
Our lawyer will answer every question you possibly have.
Awesome.
Cool. Do not answer a goddamn question they ask you. Losers. Nothing better to do with their time. Would you mind helping me with the suitcase, Ryan? Or Mike? Michael or Ryan?
Ryan. It's Ryan.
I'm sorry, did I like that inside? I guess I might have gotten charged though. For smoking
Ryan.
inside. I just want to light up a cigarette, right?
No, you're not. You're not smoking.
Don't tell me what I'm doing. I haven't done anything illegal. I just tried to save my 98-year-old grandma from getting her beat. That's all I did. She's got her.
I don't think the phone's cordless, so I don't think that's how it
It
works.
is actually cordless. That's how it works.
Oh, okay.
It's 2024. What the?
That's
That's
true.
weird. And we didn't do a goddamn thing wrong, and you're in my room, and you have no business being here. It's a room I rented, so it's my room right now. I paid for it, so it is.
You say right there.
You can say right there. Good thing we're on YouTube.
Good thing.
This place just opened, and it will just get closed.
Ryan, you're going to be the one driving, right?
No, we're not driving.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Even better.
Is it? Yeah, because we're from LA. And
Good.
guess what I am?
Please.
An
don't.
investigative reporter.
Congratulations.
Yep. To you or me?
To you.
This is where procedure takes over. The officer is clearly announcing the line in the sand. You are being trespassed. Meaning, once you've been warned and ordered to leave, staying becomes trespass after warning. That's why they keep repeating it and pushing for immediate packing. And the awkward part everyone argues about, get out of my room. I paid for it. Paying doesn't make it your property. It's temporary permission that can be revoked by the owner/management for cause. Also notice the control tactic. They won't step outside and wait while she stays inside alone. That's not about spying. It's about preventing barricading, destruction of property, evidence issues, or someone arming themselves in a tight hotel room. De-escalation is failing fast here. Raised voices, insults, refusal to comply, so the officer shifts from negotiation to consequences. Question for you. Did the officer escalate too early with the handcuff threat? Or was that the only move left once she refused the lawful order to leave?
Would you like some kratom? Have you ever tried that?
No, thank you.
Sure.
Yes, please.
It's an illegal opium.
We got a caller at North
I mean, we can all smell it.
All right.
I didn't
Put your hands
know
behind your
that.
back. You don't need to be
It's
breathing.
a joke,
Stop.
dude. It's a joke.
Stop.
Come on now. It's a joke.
You're going to jail. You're done.
Why?
Spray me with that.
It's
don't know what
not
that is.
really. It's a powder. It's
Doesn't matter. You're going
an
to jail.
herb that heals you.
Yeah.
You're done.
Keep you intoxicated. I don't need that.
Well, you could be healed in
I'm
jail.
in my. Why?
You got all of her stuff to figure out to do with her stuff?
Come on now.
Stop.
No,
You guys are seriously look
no,
at it.
no,
I
You're
bought
done.
it at the gas station.
no.
Gave you
We
enough
tried.
chances. You're done.
For what? Second joy. Why would I get arrested for what?
Disorderly conduct, trespass after warning. We're asking you to leave, and you're
Why, though?
you're
For
making more of
what?
a mess.
It's kratom. It's a herb.
Right? You know that kratom's illegal in the city of Sarasota?
No, I bought it at the gas station in Sarasota.
Cool. Not in the city of Sarasota.
Yeah, I did. I swear on God.
Nope.
Weren't you with me?
At the Westin, Pennsylvania, Portsville.
It was a joke.
That's not funny, okay? Is anyone laughing? You're not even laughing.
Why are you
So why
in my
don't you
hotel room?
Put your shoes on, we're going.
I paid $250.
I don't care how much you
Congratulations.
paid, you're going.
We're still working on it.
Are you good with him, LT? If we take her down?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, sounds good.
What am I getting arrested for?
I already told you.
For what?
Oh, you're all calm and you want to talk like a normal person now, right? Now that you're in handcuffs. Right. But before when you're throwing around kratom, F-U,
Because I was
F-me.
in my own hotel room that
Right.
I paid a lot of money for.
The Westin.
I've never paid that much money for a hotel room.
Well, you probably shouldn't have yet. But
Well, it was a lot of money. I felt like I deserved to be there.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, what do we do now? It's kratom. It's like an herb. Like an herbal tea.
Yeah.
That
concealing anything within your body?
Okay. Go ahead, take a step in.
Can you take a picture of her?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, this is what's fun for me. I want to come up and deal with drunk women throwing kratom around their hotel. Yeah. Because the hotel called us.
Why?
Because you're acting ridiculous and calling the emergency button. That's why.
Oh, my grandmother in Orlando.
Okay, well, that's not how that works, dude.
Yeah, it was. They went to her house.
Cool.
My grandmother is being abused by my mother, dude. She broke her hip and her leg.
Well, you should be there
She's
taking care of that.
98 years old, and I went there and I tried to help.
Okay.
And I couldn't do anything, so I called from here.
And then, boom, the kratom moment. Whether it was a joke or not, waving around a substance and talking about opium in the middle of a tense removal is basically tossing gasoline on the fire. Officers have to treat unknown powders seriously because it can be drugs, it can be an irritant, it can be a contamination risk, especially in close quarters. That's why you hear the tone harden. Now it's not just policy drama, it's safety plus probable additional charges. By 11:16, they articulate the arrest basis plainly. Disorderly conduct and trespass after warning, because she's not complying and is actively making the scene worse. Once she's cuffed, you also hear standard transport language and screening questions like whether she's concealing anything, because that's liability, jail safety, and medical risk management. Professional takeaway, this entire incident is a case study in how non-compliance plus escalating behavior turns a hotel ejection into an arrest. Fast. Now I want your verdict. Was this a fair accountability moment? Or did everyone, hotel, officers, and guests, miss opportunities to slow it down? If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.